Our laboratory is actually focusing on delivering services to the textile industry all over the world. We do this since more than 170 years already. And running here in Zurich, we have employed 80 people. In the whole group, we are approximately 230, and we are focusing actually on the European market, but as well on the Asian market to provide services in the area of textile testing and also textile certification. We are working primarily on the field of sustainability. In the laboratories here, we are mainly actually doing testing of textile for harmful substances. In the context with our analysis, we are analyzing in total approximately 40,000 samples a year. This equals to more than 100 a day. Now they're analyzed for the various parameters for pH value, formaldehyde, pesticides, tin organics, APOs, you mentioned it. Scientifically, actually, we have big pressure also from other initiatives. NGOs are forcing textile industry to get rid of harmful substances in their production, but also on the products. We also see it as a core of our work to motivate other companies to work on a sustainable way and to show it, what they're doing.
The biggest challenges in our laboratory are, of course, faster analysis, better analysis, more accurate, and of course keeping the costs into mind. It is not only for optimizing the analytical chemistry, the instrumental part, but also optimizing the whole resources in the laboratory, from sample preparation to the lab technician workflows to the reporting workflows, so by using, for example, softwares. We use Agilent technologies in the field of instrumental analysis almost exclusively. The main focus is in the homogenization of the softwares. So we use exclusively Mass Hunter. So all our lab technicians can work with the same program and they are familiar with that. They can switch from machine to machine without needing to know a new softwares.
Key factor that are limiting performance is that we always have to look after very lean processes, that we have very well educated people that are doing the best to achieve the goals we set, and that we have instruments that are running smoothly with a high sample throughput.
We need to expand our analysis in order to address the concerns of the retailers, of the producers and the consumers. Investing in innovative products in the lab is utmost importance. We use a lot of space-saving machines like the Ultivos and the Intuvos, which not only save space but also save analysis time, especially in the Intuvos as it's fast GC, so we can meet the higher demand or the higher order number in samples that we have each year.
Agilent is helping us to fulfill our tasks by supplying us robust instruments which are working overnight without surveillance. And if I look to the past, to the development, there has been also a lot of innovation. When I started, we have just used GCMS later as a real instrument for routine analysis, and later other technologies, LC-MS-MS, also MS-MS coupling, also for LC were available for labs such as us. As critical for our work is not only one instrument, there are many instruments, because the instruments are a technical heart of our company. If this heart is not beating, we are dying a very sudden death.